Alright, I believe I'm recording. You guys let me know if the lighting is good or not. So I've been reading comments. People are hating like a motherfucker. Saying, again, data structures this, you're not learning, stop using GBT. People don't understand is like, I suck at programming. I get that I have to I have to try on my own, but sometimes I just don't have enough time and I just want to get the answer done and then this and that. I get it. Like, some guy said, oh, I clicked the video to see somebody coding and they're not coding. Okay, it's my journey, bro. You can go fuck yourself. Like, I'm trying my best, alright? Like, you can get off my head. So I guess I don't understand why people think data structures and algorithms is not important to be a software engineer. Y'all acting like that's not something a software engineer needs to know. So when I'm doing this and I'm learning it, y'all acting like, oh, I want to see somebody code. Like, bro, you want to see somebody go make a fucking project, go see somebody make a fucking project. I'm on my own journey, bro. So it's just pissing me off. Yeah, so I'm just doing this course right now, and I skipped these because I wanted to learn data structure and algorithms to lead code. And I guess I'll just finish this on my own since everybody wants to be fucking annoying. Yeah, so this is my plan to finish by the end of the summer. So by August 25th is my goal to finish everything here. This is taking me a while because I'm doing stuff on my own, learning data structures. It's taking me a minute, so I was like, okay, this is what the plan is. So if anybody else in another video comments some bullshit, I'm gonna tell them to come to day 46, which is today. Come to day 46 and watch the fucking intro. Alright, I'm now gonna go back to Oops because I started it but I skipped it because I wanted to learn data structures. I'm gonna start by going back to Oops and going down the list. I'm gonna try to finish Oops by the end of July, hopefully. Build a project, probably a day or two this will take. Learn functional programming. Build another project. Give me just one second. Anyways, yeah. Build a AI agent in Python. You guys are fucking annoying. You guys don't want to see me do data structure, so I'll do this on my own. Then build another project for the videos. Then I gotta learn C. Then my first personal project that I'll be doing for YouTube. And then I guess the Go is my main thing of trying to learn, but there's so much here to learn. So yeah, man, yeah. So yeah, for now I'll be doing I'll just learn Oops again. Yeah, I don't know how long this course is gonna be. 18 hours. Sheesh. It's probably gonna take me a minute, but we'll see. Classes. So let's just review, I guess, and then continue working on stuff. But yeah, again, please stop commenting, oh, this dude is not coding, this dude is not. You guys don't know nothing about my life. I'm doing these videos not for you. It's not for, like, it's for me. So when I look back at this, I see where I'm at, what level I am, and then how much growth I've done in a month to keep me motivated. It's like a personal diary. So stop commenting some fucking hatred about me or some shit. Like, I'm tired of it. I appreciate all the comments of, like, your opinions and stuff, of saying, oh, you should have done this and that. That's cool. But there's other comments that are just annoying. Like, whatever. It's okay. I'm over it. So I'm going back to Oops. You guys want to see somebody doing programming and coding like the title says, so here you go. I don't want to hear nothing else. Coming back here and I'm learning this. Welcome to object-oriented programming. Oops pattern for allegedly with clean writing. At least learn it, understand it. How this close to be running small pieces of real strategy game, each of players to control armies and dragons in top-down battles and similar to Age of Simon. One of the greatest sins when trying to right click was destroy all function takes. I mean, if I run it, does it work? Pass. So, multiple walls to test. We expect a different function name. Take a look at the main test pie. What it's looking for, rename the function accordingly. Bonus, wait, okay, just running, so I guess that's what oops is. What is the main what is the main idea of oh my god, I'm not sharing my screen. Thank god I just made it. Okay, so my bad. I was reading this, coming back to where's this shit? Oops. Boom. Damn. It's being weird. Here, yeah. Oh, that's functional programming. Lord. Oh no, oops, here he is. Yes. Just trying to look at what the main idea of oops are. So structure code by grouping related data functions to an object. These objects are instances of classes which act as blueprints and they encapsulate data as specified. So oops is a way of organizing code that uses objects and classes to represent and their behavior in oops objects. Okay.
Honey? Wait, what? Today we're going to learn object-oriented programming in Python. As with considering object-oriented programming to get an idea of what an object is.
Bro wants to flex, he's on Arch.
Keyword as a mandatory threat.
Okay, I don't got time for that shit. Okay, what's next? Clean code. Paradigms like object and functional programming are all about making code easier to work with. After all, programs are just feedable humans. Code that's easy for humans to understand is called clean code. Any fool can write code that computers can understand. Good code can write code that humans can understand. Clean code does not make your programs run faster, make your programs function correctly. Only a current object-oriented program. Clean code does make code easier to work with, make it easier to find and fix bugs, make the development process faster, help us retain our sanity. So clean code is easier to work with as a developer. The primary goal is to write cleaner code. What is this? Dry code. Another rule of thumb when maintaining code is don't repeat yourself. Dry means that you should avoid writing the same code in multiple places. Okay. Dry sources don't repeat yourself. Dry code does not make your code run faster. Okay, so first thing was classes, the special type in an object-oriented programming language in Python. If you really squint really hard, it's kind of like a dictionary in that usually stores names and values. So define a new class called soldier with 3 properties: health, armor, damage. Health, armor, damage. Just like a string integer float, a class is a type, but instead of being built-in type, classes are custom types that you define. So objects. So if a class is a new objects are instances of a class. Yeah, I know instance is not a fancy word. It just means an example of. So for example, lane, Micah, health, health equals 50, health is an instance of an integer type. Aragorn, soldier, Aragorn is an instance of a soldier class type. Okay. Example. So create sources of archer class. Legos. So Legos. You call the class. And then you do the health, which is 40. Or it is, yeah, okay. So create a class called, well, I should have a property called armor, initialize it set to 10, right? Okay. Methods, so you might be wondering why classes are useful. They're like dictionaries, but worse, right? Well, no, first of all, classes provide structure. Dictionaries is, yeah. Yeah. Sorry, I'm tripping. I'm thinking about hash. Wait. I'm tripping, bro. My bad. I'm tired. Well, first of all, classes provide structure. The class definition says, "Hey, I have these specific properties." A dictionary is more says that you can store whatever you want in it. Makes it clear what on earth in there at any given time. And another thing that they have methods. A method is a function that's tied directly to the class. See the take damage method. So health equals 5. This is a method that reduces the health of a soldier. 1 self damage. So self dot health. So self dot health minus equals damage. Soldier. So soldier 1 dot take damage, and we implement 2. So I print soldier 1 dot health. It prints 3. Oh, because he has 5 minus, yeah, so health is 5 minus the damage. The damage is 2. Soldier equals soldier 2. Boom, take damage 1 should be 4, right? Okay. So if methods are defined within the class declaration, the first parameter is always an instance of a class that the method is being called. By convention, is called self. And because self is a reference to the object, you could use it to read and update the properties of the object. Notice that the methods are called directly on the object instance using the dot operator. My object dot my underscore method. Complete the fortify method on the wall class. It should double the count of armor property. So you do def equals self dot armor times equals 2. Yep. Nice. Methods can return. And a normal function doesn't return anything. If a normal function doesn't return anything, it's typically not a useful function. In contrast, methods often don't return anything because they can mutate, update the sorry. I haven't been sleeping well. So my head hurts. Because you can mutate, update the properties of within the list. However, they can return values if you want, though. They're just functions with the class object. After all, a common use case is getter that returns a calculated file. armor multiplied by its height, so we would return, so total equals, I mean, I'm getting a little better with programming. You really don't need to do this. If you run the solution, you can just return. Can't I just return? I feel like this is what the answer is gonna show. Right, if I do this, pass, yeah, same shit. I put it into a variable when I did this a long time ago. So method versus function. What operates? Okay, yeah, method. Let's read this. So methods versus functions. You know what a function is, and a method is the exact same thing. It's just tied directly in a class, and it has access to properties of the object. The method automatically receives the object it is called at its first parameter. So class soldier health equals 100 depth. Self is the linear in the first example. So if we want damage equals damage times multiplier, and then we do self.health minus equal to damage. So when we call it, damage and multiplier are passed explicitly as arguments, 20 and 2 respectively. The linear is passed implemented the first argument itself. So it says the linear then take damage. Damage is gonna be 20, the other one's gonna be 2. Then you're gonna do 20 times 2 is 40. 100 minus self.health is 100 minus the 100 minus the 40 is 60. So online soldier, that's the same shit. If it's 10 30, that's 30. So it's 100 minus. I see how it works. A method can operate on data that is contained within the class. In other words, you won't always see the outputs in the return statement because the method might just mutate the objects properly directly. The OOP debate. Because functions are explicit, some developers argue that functional programming is better than object programming. Neither paradigms is better. I am required to say this as an educator. The best developers learn and understand both styles and use them. While methods are more implicit and object properties are okay, which operate of an instance in a class is a method function without the class. Okay, which part of more than dot enchantment, which part of this will be passed into enchant method as a first argument? Yeah, hello Morty. Constructors. I have a confession, so I'm teaching you a bad way to define properties on a class. It's rare in the real world to see a class that defines properties like this as we did. Name or a constructor is usually better. It's a specific method on a class called init that is called automatically when you create a new instance of a class. So using the structure of the code above will look like this. Soldier.init of self. Okay. Self.equals name to self.num weapons. I see. Not only is it safer, we'll talk about it later, but it also allows us to make the starting property values configurable. So def.name is self, name, armor, name, weapons. So self.name equals name. Self.armor is armor. So soldier 1 equals soldier this, that. So that means prints. So soldier 1 dot name. Soldier 1. So I called the class soldier. Okay. I see. So add a constructor to the wall. So it should be depth height as parameters in order. So the way you do is self.depth, boom, boom, boom. And then I said a volume, so you can self.volume. That's what, yep. Why is that not the same? Did bro just make an accidental fucking... Okay, what's the next one? Yes, in it. What's the name of it? Okay. Alright, now we're actually gonna start going back to me learning and shit now, so. What do we have? So, multiple objects, quiz, practice, and then another class practice. So this, that, and this. Holy fuck. Alright. I'll try to finish as much as I can. If I don't finish anything tomorrow, I'll finish it all, and then the next thing we'll start learning is encapsulation. Oh shit. Oh man. Lessons don't look long though. Never mind, inheritance look like some shit. Polymorphism looks like some shit. Alright. Let's see. Multiple objects. Remember, an object is an instance of a class. Remember, an object is an instance of a class. Right. An object which is an instance is a concrete occurrence in any object. Instance is a synonymous with object. With particular rights. Instance emphasizes the creation of an instance is called a. So I could create a wall class. Sorry. I could create a wall class. You think of a class as a blueprint or template for an object like this. So the class, right. Then I can create 3 different instances of the class, or in other words, I can create 3 separate objects. So multiple objects. I see. So wall Maria, wall Rose, wall Sina. Those are different ones. Okay. Okay. So assignment, take a look at brawler class. Yes. And the fight function provided. Then complete the main function by doing the following. Look at the brawler class, I'm looking at it. So what it's doing is has self.name the name, self.speed is speed, self.strength is strength right there, and self.power is speed right there. So complete the main function by doing the following. Create 4 new brawlers with the following stats. So 4 new brawlers, we do Era, Aragorn, so you want me to do wall with the brawler. should do capital. It's pissing me off. Oh, it's 2 and 7. 2, 7. Then we have Lego loss is equal to brawler. Lego loss. Seven. Wait, Frodo is equal to brawler. And then what are the, so 3, 2, then call fight twice. So what? Fight would be Aragorn and Gimli, and I want to fight. Oh, not flight. Holy shit, I can't type. Oh my god. Wait, am I tripping or did I spell that right? It's just I didn't do parentheses. Man, I'm fried. Legolas. And then what's the other one? Frodo. Oh, let's go, guys. Let's go. No GPT. I did it. Yes. Fuck, I get it. Now use GPT is just fuck. It's whatever. Good though. It's bar for bar, man. Right? Objects quiz. Class soldier. So what is this? Right, okay, I get this. What about it? Which of the following show an object is an instance of a class? Okay, it's not this one. Not that one. What is this one? Oh, fuck. I'm tripping. No, it's this one. Fuck. What's up with you, Mo? On Archer practice. Let's practice some of these class and object concepts a bit more. So complete Archer class. Alright. So what's it? Complete the constructor should take the parameters in order and set the instances. So so the name is equal to name self dot. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, doing data structures and algorithms, even though I skipped, kind of helps me understand what the hell's going on here. Health self dot num underscore was it arrows is equal to num arrows. Then when we take a hit, so it's basically it operates on current Archer instance. Remove 1 health from the current Archer. Oh shit, how do you fuck? It removes 1 health from the current Archer. Okay. okay, I think. The remove one health from the current archer. I'm just forgetting how to do the syntax. I know I have to call archer, so no, I can't. One health. Oh. Fuck. I'm kind of stuck on the remove one health. So can we just take him upright? So when you remove one health from the current archer, I gotta if the archer has no health, raise exception name is dead where name is not. So okay, I'm gonna just try it out and just come on. If so, oh my god, how do you raise an exception? Hold up. I don't care if you guys are gonna get mad that I'm searching up how I don't remember how to do it. Alright, get off my fucking head. Oh, exception type, that's what it's called. Oh, is it exception type? What is it? I think. Shit, if it's wrong, it's wrong. Exception type. A name, so self dot name can shoot, and then shoot method, it takes an archer instance as a target input. If the shooter has no arrows left, such as if self dot num dot arrows is equal to 0, we're gonna raise an exception type. Oh my lord. Where is this? Oh my god, oh shit, can't shoot. Bet. This one's good. Else. else remove an arrow from the shooter. Else total arrows equals self dot num arrows, and we do total arrows minus equals 1. Call the target's take it and what? Take hit method. I don't know. Damn. It says Robin has 6 health and 2 arrows. Archer, except none. Archer object has no attribute num. Oh lord. That's a problem. Num arrows should be like that. Yeah, that's an issue. Name take hit is not defined. What the fuck? I don't get it. Alright, you wanna just remove this then? Bro, I'm getting I'm getting dizzy. Values like 1 health and 2 hours are not modified. Your copy some changes, but the object's real attributes never change. You need to okay. So you mean like you want to do self the health directly. You want to do self actually like this would be easier. Oh shit, sorry. The shoot method should check if arrows are 0, raise exception shoot. The shoot method, right? Yes. Boom. Decrease self times by 1. Okay, we're doing that now. Print message using both. Oh my god, I missed this. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, why did I skip? Sorry guys, I'm very tired. What did I do? What I did? -1 with what? Remove an arrow from the shoot. Otherwise, remove an arrow from the shooter. Remove the arrow. Print. I have to print. Print. F. Print. Let's just do. No, yeah, we need to do this. Then we gotta do this. We'll print 1. 1 is what the shooter's name. So we do self dot name. Holy shit. Dot name. Shoots. Target archer. Shoots 2, where number 1 is a shooter's name. Oh, who the fuck is the archer? That has to be wrong. I'm fucking tired. What's the next one? Yeah, I really want to finish this tonight. Okay, I'm learning this one well. I got this one not even finished. Sorry. Honestly, I'm gonna just do this and go to sleep, bro. Actually, I can't go to sleep. I have to apply to some companies. Whoa, who's the target? You keep saying target, but I'm not saying her. Oh, official method. It takes an archer instance as its target input. So what? You want me to put target and then target. Why is this supposed to be here? Something's wrong. You're trying to call. Oh, fuck. Okay, I count this as a W. If I can do this while I'm being very tired, bro, that's a W, bro. If I'm full energized, I'll get this, bro. Should I do this? Oh, I'm done. I'm gonna go do some personal stuff. Alright, guys. That was today's video. I'm gonna do some personal stuff. I could do some just one leak code problem today. Apply for some companies and see what else I gotta do. Alright guys, stop hating on me, bro, please. I'm trying my best. See you guys later.